Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to find MAC address for network card in Windows 11 or Windows 10 with a simple command. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step dito lang sa ating start menu, right click lang tayo and then kailangan mo select yung terminal admin. And dito sa ating administrator Windows PowerShell, kailangan mo i-type yung keyword na get net adapter. Ayan, so ito lang yung kailangan natin na i-type na keyword, get net adapter, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then ito na siya. So this command show you basic properties of all network adapters available sa ating Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So makikita mo dito yung name, yung interface description, yung index status, yung MAC address natin dito, and then yung link speed. Alright, so to get MAC command physical address naman, dito lang ay kailangan mo na i-type yung keyword na get MAC. Ayan, so very simple lang. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung physical address and then yung transport name natin. Alright, and maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng panibagong kaalaman. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.